right away you might notice that there's something strange in this column with the label influence. It's column D. In row 9, there's the value of 99 under influence. And if we read all of the questions that produce this data, we can see that the influence question asked all of the respondents to this local news survey about the influence of local news media. And the question was, thinking about local news media in your community, would you say they have 1, a lot of influence on your community, or 2, not a lot of influence on your community? So because we read the questionnaire and we read the methodology, we know that the only possible answers to this question are 1 or 2. So why is there 99 here? 99 is not any of the possible answers. This means that 99 is a missing answer. Or in this case, in row 9, person with the ID of 385, person 385 did not answer this question about influence on the community. They left it blank, or they didn't fill it out somehow, and their answer was recorded as unknown or 99. So this could just as easily say the word unknown. It could say null, or it could say 99, or even 999. So let's say that we want to make it even more obvious that this 99 is out of place. We could replace all of the 99s with the value 999. To do that, we will use the find and replace methodology or functionality. To use find and replace, you click Control F or Command F if you're on a Mac. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on my keyboard. After clicking Control F, you will see an input pop-up that says Find in Sheet. And if you type in 99, you'll see that all the 99s are highlighted. And that's fine, but we actually want to not just highlight them, we want to replace them. So we go to the 3 dots that say More Options, and we click on More Options. Now we can see the menu that says Find and Replace. We already know that we want to find the number 99, but we also want to make sure to click on Match Entire Cell Contents. This will make sure that if there is a 99 somewhere else that isn't taking up the entire cell, that it won't be replaced. Just to be safe, we can also select this sheet. Even though right now we only have 1 sheet, it's good practice to go ahead and click on this sheet if that's what you're hoping to work with. And then in the input for replace with, we go ahead and type 999. Now my window's a little small, but here at the bottom you can see it says replace all. So we're going to go ahead and click on replace all, and then it's going to take a second, and then it says replace 1,490 instances of 99 with 999. And so then we can click done. We have accomplished our goal. And now we can see that there are multiple places where 99 has been replaced, and now it is labeled as 999.